नमस्कार दोस्तों। आज हम ये सीखने वाले हैं कि एंगुलर में सर्वर साइड पेजिनेशन इम्प्लीमेंट कैसे करते हैं। तो उसके लिए आपको सबसे पहले जाना है कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट पे, जैसे मैंने ओपन किया हुआ है यहाँ पर एक नया एंगुलर एप्लीकेशन बनाएंगे। लेट्स से एनजी न्यू SSR डेमो। नाउ इट विल आस्क फॉर इट्स इंस्टॉलिंग। Let's say I'm going with CSS. So here it is asking for you option. Do you want to enable server side rendering? If you will say yes, it will add by default files which is required for server side rendering. Earlier in lower version of Angular, we had to do everything manually, but with higher version of Angular, it is now inbuilt. So what I have done, I have created yes and press enter. So now we will wait for its complete project setup. So now you can see my project is successfully installed. So now, okay. So here, if you will come and check, this is how it is loading in control U. If you will say control U means meaning inspect element. So here, just simply right click on inspect element, go on network type and search for localhost. You can see over here, everything is available over here. See. This is how we can implement Angular server side rendering without writing even a single line of code. We have done it.